Yeah. So bubble sort is a technique to sort an array, given unsorted array. So we can see this is an unsorted array. So to sort an array using bubble sort technique, we first have to identify the greatest element. So bubble it. So this is greatest or this. So this is greatest. So 4, 8, 6, 2. There will be no swap, right? After next step, C4, 8, 6, 2. 8 is greater than 6. So we have to swap it. That will be 4, 6, 8, 2. Now the third swap, we need to swap it, that is 4, 2, 8. So 8 now is at its exact position. So we don't need to move 8. So this was the first pass, right? This was the first pass, that is said to be n minus 1. Okay, so now we have an array at this position 4, 6, 2, 8. So 8 is at its exact position. No element is greater than 8 on the left side. Now 4, 4 is greater than 6. No, so no swap, right? No swap. In 4, 6, 2 there is no swap. Then 6, 6 is greater than 2. Yes, so we have to swap. We have swap. 6 is now at its exact location. Both 8 and 6 elements of array sorted now. So this was pass 2, n minus 2. Okay, now take these two elements of an unsorted array 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. Yes, so now swap this 2 and 4. Okay, now 4 is at its exact location. Next swap 2, only 2. So no, we just have to apply all element in a sorted array. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have sorted all the elements of an array using an bubble sort technique. Point to remember: swap greatest elements. Okay, after every pass, at least one element reaches its own exact position.